Hey guys, we came back with another video, and today we will be making
a stress ball
out of Orbeez.
So we like started filling up our water bottle, and these are like scented Orbeez.
So here's the stuff we'll need: Orbeez or any other kind of Orbeez,
A bottle
and balloons. Let's get started by putting in your Orbeez. We kind of went ahead and did it.
A little peek. This is our second time doing it. That's what Orbeez. I mean a little, whatever it's called.
My water bottle is a wasp water bottle.
Mine is an mineral water, but it's Mexican.
Sparkling water.
Sparkling. Hers is sparkling too, right?
Yeah.
Daddy, stop.
Dude, this is so bouncy.
There's these people over there.
Give me your foot.
Okay.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, my Orbeez.
That's my Orbeez.
Yeah. But. Oh my god.
Yoshi, you can keep the ones on the ground.
You know which did it's not gonna be solid.
Probably.
Oh, they're mine.
You're the one that mostly drops them. Okay. That was mine. Just like give it. You put yours in a bottle and then drop it. No.
Yoshi, put it in there.
Kiwi, just do this. Put like a hole there and then. Or you can just go like
No, Yoshi. Oh yeah, that's a good idea.
But some will fall. Will fall.
Yoshi's a good helper. I think that's it. I want to make two.
So guys, I want to see this. So now we're gonna blow up our.
I want to make one another color since my I want to make one yellow because my Orbeez.
And then you're just gonna, you know this part, twist it. The better way is just like to keep it right here, build it right there. Yoshi, can you hold this? Forgiveness is gonna be hard.
Yeah,
She has to.
So now he's putting in the Orbeez, guys.
I'll twist it. And mine's hard to get out. Oh, here's this.
I don't want to make mine that big.
Yeah. That's a miracle.
It's a miracle.
These some. You
This is
guys.
how it looks. Oh my god!
What?
Kill it!
I know.
Make sure not to leave any air in it. 'Cause it makes it suckier.
It makes it suckier. Give it. Open a hole.
Try it. Let me try.
You guys, I am in love with this.
I know. We've been
See, look it. It's like clear right there.
Oh my god!
This is like Karina Garcia right here. Oh shit. Like when you guys
take this outside, you're gonna put it back in, okay?
No, that one was outside already.
What is it?
It's like a thing. Ah, squeeze it. Look at it. Roger, stop. They smell good.
Yoshi, that's what I'm telling you. It's right there.
Yoshi, squeeze it. Yoshi, squeeze it.
What? Wait.
So guys, this is like pretty much
Please
better than you and please follow Karina Garcia.
Yeah. And
Nicole Skies, cause
You guys are not.
look at it's yellow, and then when you squeeze it, it's like
good.
these
You
are
can
like
get them
so,
at Dollar Tree.
yeah, you can get them at Dollar Tree.
Oh my god. I'm in
Hey,
love
how
with
much did all this cost?
I'm in love with the orb.
How much does shit cost you?
What? So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment down below. And please comment what you want us to do next.
Okay, guys, bye!